Use discount code JacobViral when you shop.
Are these strapped or game matched?
They're game matched.
Okay. Wow. Whoa, beautiful box. Man. Wow. So your name and what's in here, man?
Matthew Williamson. Right now there is 6 XV3 12s. They're dual 2s on 2 10K rootless. They're game matched. Right now they're set at 133.
Okay.
But these EV6s are going in here soon.
Okay.
And they'll be wired at 0.67.
Fourth order?
4th order, yes sir.
This is built in the vehicle.
Absolutely.
Wow. Impressive. Who built the box?
Brandon Moore.
Okay. Just good work. Nice. Do you know anything about the box? Cubic space, tuning, SPL port area?
I've got a 59.5 out of it so far.
Okay.
But I'd have to look back on the design of it to tell you any cubic.
Okay. Wow. Man. How much battery bacon?
Really got some.
Battery bacon alternator power?
It's a Brand X 320. The battery is a 90 and a 35 C-Max.
Oh yeah. Man. So you went double power from, you said you had one on here, now you have double?
I have one 10K with a kilo 80 on it.
Wow.
Now I put the C-Max in there with 2 10Ks.
You opened up a lot.
Did the roof,
Yeah.
bracing, none of the bracing was in here.
Are you happy with it?
Not yet.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna put the ZV6s in here. They're dual 1, so I'll be able to wire them down to 0.67.
Oh,
and get a lot more power out of those amps. That'll be for next year.
Yeah. Wow.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Well, good luck with the build, man. Appreciate the demo. That's crazy, dude.
Checking it out.
You're welcome. Awesome.